Good morning, dear friends. Last class we discussed only conceptual questions on matrices and determinants. So, in this class we are going to discuss problems from level 1. So, in this level 1, first question we will see. If A is a square matrix of order 2 by 2, in this matrix elements A and J are of the form A plus I plus J whole square divided by 2. Then they are asking what is A matrix, they are asking question. See. So A matrix, that is 2 by 2 matrix order. So 2 by 2 nothing but we can write A11, A12, A21, A22. So very clear. I suffix means I plus j whole square by 2. A11 means 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2 means it will be 2. Means 4 divided by 2. 1 2 means 1 plus 3 whole square. Means it is 1 plus 3 means 9 by 2 will come. Next 2 1 Ij. 2 plus 1 whole square means again 9 by 2. Then A2 2. I value 2, J value 2. 2 plus 2 means 4. Whole square means 16. By 2 nothing but 8. This is the required matrix A. Next. If we see second question, they given one matrix equation. What is the matrix equation? We will see. So first one is R plus 2, 5 minus 2, R plus 1 equal to 4 y plus 3 z, then this is 3. Then what they are asking, 4 options they are asking. See, first option whether R equal to y equal to z. Second option R equal to minus y equal to z. Third option minus R y equal to z. Fourth option R equal to y equal to minus z. So which one we have to identify? See here. So two matrices are equal means corresponding elements are equal. So R plus 2 equal to 4. So clearly R equal to 2. So 5 equal to y plus 3. So y equal to 2. Clearly Z equal to minus 2. Z equal to minus 2. So you observe R equal to y equal to minus Z. So clearly R means 2, y means 2, z value minus 2, minus z means 2. So all the three values are equal. So that we can give fourth option is the correct answer. Next. Question number 3. A minus 2b equal to A minus 2b equal to one matrix they given, that is 1 minus 2 3 0. Then 2A minus 3b equal to another matrix minus 3 plus 3 1 minus 1. Then what is B matrix they are asking question. So here 4 options. See, first one minus 5 7 5 1. Second option minus 5 7 minus 5, minus 1. Third option, minus 5, 7, 5, minus 1. Fourth option, minus 5, minus 7, minus 5, minus 1. So which one is we have to identify? See here only B we required, means A matrix we have to eliminate. Here A coefficient 2, here A coefficient 2A is there. So this is we are multiplying with the 2. So 2A minus 4B. Here also each and every element multiplied by 2 means 2 minus 4, 6, 0. Then that is same as this. 2A minus 3B equal to minus 3, 3, 1, minus 1. Just we are subtracting. So subtracting means minus, plus, minus. So these two we can cancel. Minus 4B minus 3B means minus B. See here. 2 minus of minus 3. So this it will be 5. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. 6 minus 1 it will be 5. 0 minus of minus 1 means plus 1. Only we require B. So multiply with minus means minus 5 plus 7 minus 5 minus 1. So minus 5, 7, minus 5, minus 1. So clearly we can give second option answer. Next. Question number 4. So question they are asking, if I equal to 1 0 0 1 identity matrix, B equal to 0 1 minus 1 0. C also they given, C equal to, this is cos theta, sin theta minus sin theta, and it will be cos theta. So they are asking C equal to, means some options they given, see here. So how they are asking options, means C can be written as, so first option they are giving I into cos theta plus B into sin theta. Second option, I sin theta plus B into cos theta. Third option, I into cos theta minus B into sin theta. Fourth option, minus I into cos theta plus B into, which of the options correct one they are asking question. So you observe I, B, C, then C relation they are asking question. So just we are verifying whether first option is correct or not. I into cos theta. So I into cos theta means directly see here I into cos theta plus B into sin theta. Means all the elements of I multiply with cos theta. So what we have to write? This is cos theta 0, 0 cos theta plus B into sin theta, means all the elements of B multiply with sin theta. So 0, then this is sin theta minus sin theta and 0. So if you multiply this one, whether cos means C will come or not. cos theta plus 0 nothing but cos theta. 0 plus sin theta nothing but sin theta. 0 plus minus sin theta, so clearly minus sin theta. Cos theta plus 0 nothing but cos theta, so clearly C here C matrix is same as this we got, so that I cos theta plus B sin theta always C means first option is the answer. You can verify remaining three options also, they are not correct options, so like this we have to answer. Next question. Question number 5. If A equal to 1 square matrix is given 1 2 2 5, B equal to 4 3 0 2, then they are asking 2A plus C equal to B, then what is C? They are asking question. So C they are asking question means 4 options also there. If you want options also enter. So first option is 6 7 4 12. Second option 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 8. Third option 3 minus 1 minus 4 8. Fourth option minus 6 minus 7 minus 4 minus 12. So which one is correct option we have to identify. So you observe C matrix we have to calculate. So from this C can be written as B minus 2A. B minus 2A means 2A if you send that side means minus 2A. So from this C equal to B matrix 4 3 0 2 minus 2 into A matrix. 2 into A matrix means all the elements of A multiplying with 2 means 2 4 4 10. So finally how much we got? Say here 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 0 minus 4 minus 4, 2 minus of 10 minus 8. So which option correct? 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 8. So clearly we can give second option answer. Next. Number 6. If A equal to 0 2 3 minus 4, Ka means multiplication of a matrix by a scalar 0 3A 2B, that is 24. So A matrix they given, Ka matrix they given. So then the values of K, A, P they are asking questions. So here options you observe minus 6, minus 12, minus 18. Second option minus 6 4 9. Third option minus 6 minus 4 minus 9. Fourth option minus 6, 12, 18. So very clear, Ka, they have given matrix. So from this only I am getting Ka means all the elements of A multiplying with this scalar K means. So this is 0, 2 into K, 2K, 3 into K, 3K, minus 4 into K, minus 4K. So from this, what they given? 0, 3, 2B, 24. 0, 0 equal, no problem, same. Minus 4K equal to 24, K equal to minus 6. K value we got minus 6. Then these two you observe, these two, 2K equal to 3A. K value minus 6 means 2 into minus 6 equal to 3A. So 3 2 times cancel, A value minus 4. Right. Then B we require 3K equal to 2B. K means minus 6. So minus 18 equal to 2B. So B equal to, see here, K value minus 6, A value minus 4. B value minus 9, minus 6, minus 4, minus 9. So clearly, third option we can give answer. Next. Number 7. If A 1, 2, 3, one matrix they given into B equal to 3, 4. Then the order of the matrix B they are asking question. So order of B. So to calculate order of B means, you observe clearly right side, this is 3, 4, one row, 3 columns are there. So 2 columns are there. This is 1 by 2 matrix. So this matrix R is 1 row, 3 columns. Then B must be 3 rows, 2 columns, because multiplication, see, multiplication, number of columns to number of rows must be equal. Then resultant matrix order is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is there. So required order matrix order is, that is 3 by 2 matrix order. Next, number 8. If a matrix has 13 elements, so in one matrix there are 13 elements are there. Then the possible dimensions number means order of the matrices can be right. So how many possible orders means these 13 elements, how many ways we can arrange? So one row 13 columns we can arrange. One row 13 columns. 13 rows 1 column. 13 rows 1 column. So 13 rows means this is completely column matrix. So this is the vertical matrix. So means either 1 by 13 or 13 by 1. So only there are 2 possibilities order of the matrix, either 1 by 13 or 13 by 1. Only 2 possibilities are there. Next. Question number 9. If A equal to, see here, if A equal to matrix 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5, B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Four options are there asking. AB, BA exist and equal. AB, BA exist and not equal. AB exists, BA does not exist. AB does not exist, BA exists. So exist means we can multiply the two matrices. So to multiply two matrices, number of columns in first matrix, number of rows in second matrix must be equal. Then only we can multiply the two matrices. See here, AB to calculate means this is A matrix, this is B matrix. What is A matrix order? 2 by 3. B matrix order 3 by 2. So we can this is exist. AB exists because number of rows to number of columns equal means. So resultant matrix is 2 by 3. So AB exists. Right. Then BA exists or not? BA. So what is B matrix order? B matrix order 3 by 2. A matrix order, this is A matrix order 2 by 3. So what is the resultant matrix? See here, this is 2 rows to 2 columns equal. So resultant matrix order is, that is 3 by 3. So this is also exists. So both AB and BA exist. Are they equal? They are not equal. See here, this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 3 by 3 matrix. So both are not equal. So what is the correct answer means? Both AB and BA exist but not equal. Means AB cannot be BA. So this is the answer. Both AB and BA exist but they are not equal. Like that means values are not necessary. Just according to options we are going. So whether AB exists or not, BA exists or not, both are exist but they are not equal. How they are not equal means this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 3 by 3 matrix. So both are not equal matrix. So when we can say that two matrices are equal or not, they should have same order and corresponding elements must be equal. So they are not same order means trivially we can tell AB cannot be BA. Next question. Number 10. Okay. If one matrix they given M, N, another matrix that is M, N equal to 25. Here M is must be less than N. Then they are asking what is M comma N values. So first option 2 comma 3. Second option 3 comma 4. Third option 4 comma 3. Fourth option 3 comma 2. So very clear. M must be less than N. M must be less than N means 4 cannot be less than 3. 3 cannot be less than 2. So two options we can delete. Remaining two options, which one is correct option? See. First row column. So M into M square plus N square. So you observe. This is 1 by 2 matrix order. This is 2 by 1 matrix order. So resultant matrix is 1 by 1. So right side also only 1 by 1 matrix is there, both are equal. So here m square plus n square equal to 25. This means corresponding elements we have to equate. So m square plus n square equal to 25. Which one is possibility? 4 plus 9, 13. This is wrong option. So which option is correct? 9 plus 16. So m value 3, n value 4 is the possibility. So like that we have to answer. Next. Number 11. If A equal to one matrix they define, say B square minus A square minus AB and A to the power n equal to null matrix, then the minimum value of n. So minimum value of n they are asking question. So minimum value of n means options you observe 2, second option 3, third option 4, fourth option 5. So which one we have to identify? So means a power n means, suppose first I am calculating a square. Suppose a square is null matrix means a cube also null matrix, a power 4 also null matrix, a power 100 also null matrix. Means among these what is the least means 2 we have to get. So whether a square or a cube, which one is null matrix we have to see. So first we are calculating a square. See here, this is AB b square minus a square minus AB. Again say AB b square minus a square minus AB. So from this you observe rows, columns. AB into AB, a square b square minus a square b square. So clearly 0. Then AB cube minus AB cube 0 minus a cube b plus a cube b 0. So this is also 0. So finally how much we got? Null matrix. Clearly a square is null matrix. Then a cube also null matrix. A power 4 also null matrix. And so on. All are these null matrices. So among them what is the least power means? That is 2. So we have to give second option answer. Like that we have to answer. Means. So these type of question, what is the a power n equal to null matrix means? Which type of matrix is it? It is nilpotent matrix. A power n equal to null matrix means that is nilpotent matrix. So least power is called index. So index of the matrix nothing but 2 we have to write. Next question. They are asking if A equal to diagonal matrix 3 whose diagonal elements are 3, 3, 3. Then A power 4 they are asking question. So options how they are asking we will see. First option 12A, second option 81A, third option 684A, fourth option 27A. Among these 4 options, which one is correct we have to guess. So A is a diagonal matrix means elements are 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3. So very clear. A square means square of the principal diagonal elements means 3 square nothing but 9. So this is 9, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 9. A power 4 means 81. So A power 4 equal to this is 81, 0, 0, 0, 81, 0, 0, 0, 81. So 81 if you take common means, so 81 A we got. So clearly A power 4 equal to 81 A. So that is the answer. Next question. If A equal to 14th question, A equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, then what is A to the power 5? So options you observe. So first option is A. So first option identity matrix, second option null matrix, third option A only, fourth option A square. So which one is correct one we have to guess. So first A square we will see. So A square means 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0. How much we got? Rows to columns means 1, rows to columns means 0. Rows to columns means 0. Rows to column means this row, this column means 1. So identity matrix we got. A power 4, nothing but A square into A square. Again identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. A power 5. So A power 4 into A. So A power 4 means 1, 0, 0, 1. A means 0, 1, 1, 0. So if we multiply these two, see, first row, first column, null means 0. First row, second column, 1. Second row, first column, 1. Second row, second column, 0. So clearly again we got A matrix. Means A power 4, A square identity matrix. A power 4 also identity matrix. A power 5 is A power 10 means identity, means power is even number means identity. Odd means A only will get. So which one we have to identify? A power 5 nothing but A only we have to write. Next question. 15. If A equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, then they are asking A square minus 4A, they are asking question. So options observe. How they are asking options? So first option 2I3, second option 3I3, third option 4I3, fourth option that is 5 into I3. So which one is correct one we have to answer. First A square minus 4A, A square minus 4A, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Again 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Minus 4 into A, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. So these terms we have to simplify. See, first row, first column, this is 1 plus 4 plus 4 means 9. First row, second column, 2 plus 2 plus 2. 8. Second row, second column, 2 plus 4 plus 2 means 8. Second row, second column, so 2 plus 2 plus 4, again 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, minus, see here, this is multiplied with 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, 4, 8, 8, 8, 4. So how much total? 9 minus 4, nothing but 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. So 5 into identity matrix we get. So 5 into identity matrix means which option we have to consider means fourth option. Next. Number 16. So 16, how they are asking question? A 1 minus tan theta, and this is tan theta 1 into 1 tan theta minus tan theta 1. So equal to, they are asking question, equal to, also they given a minus b a. So four options say. First option what they are asking means ABC relation they are asking. A equal to 1, b equal to 1. Second option, a value secant square theta, b value 0. Third option, a value 0, b value this is sin square theta. Fourth option, a value sin 2 theta, b value cos of 2 theta. So very clear. If we multiply these two, first row, first column means 1 plus tan square theta, nothing but secant square theta. First row, second column means tan theta minus tan theta 0. Second row, first column means 0. Second row, second column means again secant square theta equal to, this is a minus b a. So very clear, a equal to secant square theta, b means 0. A value secant square theta, b value 0. We can give second option answer. Next. Number 17. If A equal to, what they are asking question, we will see. A square, AB, AC, AB, B square, BC, then AC, BC, then C square. A square means and A square plus B square plus C square equal to 1. Then they are asking what is the value of A square. So options, first option A, second option 2A, third option 3A, fourth option that is 4A. So A square we will see. So what is A square? A square, AB, AC, AB, B square, BC, AC, BC, C square. From this, again A square, AB, AC. Then AB, B square, BC. Then AC, BC, C square. Just I will simplify only one row. First row, first column. If I multiply, see here, A square into A square means A power 4. AB into AB, A square, B square. AC into AC, A square, C square. So if I take A square common here, A square common here, then what will have A square plus B square plus C square. Again this is A square plus B square plus C square value 1. So finally what will get again this, if you simplify, means what will get same matrix will get A square, AB, AC, AB, B square, BC, AC, that is C square. So nothing but A means A square equal to A. So A square equal to A means that is idempotent matrix. So A square equal to A means that is idempotent matrix. You have to answer like this.